Manav Dharma of 21st century. Honorable Sir of the Madam, greetings. It's give me immense pleasure to present Manav Dharma of 21st century. The basic objective of establishing the Manav Dharma is to keep each and every individual of the entire globe at ease and peace. Today, every individual in the entire globe is at attention. The tension of terrorism, the tension of atomic war. Should these terrorists are involved in such dangerous activities today are terrorists by birth? When these terrorists are diverted towards terrorism, why not they should be rediverted towards humanism? What required is the need of one globe, the need of willingness of collective efforts by the entire globe. In our Manav Dharma, we have given a very simple solution of this problem. For detail, kindly refer our website www.manavdharma21stcentury.com. Second basic problem is the tension of threat to misuse the missiles and atomic bombs, which are in the hands of almost every country, including terrorists. If anyone misuses this anytime, then the horrible outcomes is beyond the human imagination. Thirdly, Manav Dharma of 21st century strongly recommends need of one globe. There should have uniform uniform law making authority, uniform currency, etc., etc. Why not the entire globe can be one? When there is no division of the atmosphere, weather, sea, etc., then why the earth is divided in the name of different nations? When a person takes birth on the earth and when he dies, there is no discrimination. It is irrespective of the place of the birth and the death. Then why there is discrimination in the quality of life when we live in the earth? Today, every country is investing huge amount of money in the form of military and weapons to protect their respective boundaries of their countries. If the entire globe is one, then should these amount cannot be saved? Manav Dharma of 21st century is the 21st century feels that the only difference is the difference between the countries is the difference of development. If money invested in military and weapons are used for development of underdeveloped countries, we feel that their days are not far away when the entire globe should be fully developed. What is the hassle and difficulties in making the entire globe as one? Should ordinary citizen of each country is not interested in living at ease and peace? Should they are not interested in sharing thoughts, ideas, cultures, religious, etc., etc., of each other? Is they have any hesitation in making friends and sharing each other's ideas? Latest electronic developments in the form of emails, Facebooks, Twitter, WhatsApp is burning example of the fact that ordinary citizens have no problem because they are making friends and sharing the ideas with each other. At the time of accepting the friendship request, nobody considered the country or the gender, which proves that ordinary citizens have no problem in making the entire globe as one. Manav Dharma 21st century feels that the only problem is in making the entire earth as one globe, irrespective of any country, is the ego of 10 to 20,000 high-handed diplomats of different countries who feel that they are superior and wanted to be superior forever. Their ego is the root cause of dividing the entire globe in the form of different countries. We feel that it is the responsibility of every ordinary citizen in the entire globe to strongly raise their voices in their respective countries, stating their high-handed diplomats that we wanted to live at ease and peace. We want the entire globe as one, and if not, why not? Manav Dharma 21st century raised a very simple question from the residents of the entire globe. That on one side, we are sending our Yan and satellite on other planets like Moon and Mangal to find out the possibility of life. Life there, sir, the Earth where the life existed from lakhs of years, we are putting it in danger in the form of atomic bombs, terrorist attack, or global warming, and keeping every citizen of the country in tension. Should there not exist serious need for reconsidering or thinking process? Should the entire globe is running for new inventions without considering that what actually we want to achieve? Should the rate of the growth and the development existing today is going to produce any fruitful results for the entire humanity in the long run. With this race, what we will going to achieve and give the humanity at large in another 30 to 40 years. Sir, we have so many ideas to keep each and every individual of the globe at ease and peace. Please visit our websites and please share and send your valuable suggestions and comments, for which we are awaiting a lot, and we will be very grateful. हम बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया होंगे यदि आप अपने सजेशन सुझाव हमें भेजें और हमारे आइडियाज़ को पढ़ के आगे बढ़ाने का प्रयास करें. धन्यवाद. थैंक यू.